As you solve the Rubik's Cube, you will come across algorithms filled with letters that indicate 90-degree rotations. Each letter corresponds to a face of a cube. For example, R right, F front, and U up. Each letter means to make a clockwise rotation of the face, but if there is an apostrophe added, it means to make a counterclockwise rotation. Furthermore, a number beside the letter indicates how many times to move. Lastly, each piece of the Rubik's Cube has a name: face, center, edge, corner. Let's get started. To solve the Rubik's Cube, we will go through 8 stages. However, before we begin, you will need to learn 2 important algorithms called the left and right triggers. The right is like R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. The left trigger goes like L prime, U prime, L, U. L prime, U prime, L, U. Make sure to practice these algorithms. Let's begin. First, find the yellow center and edges which have white on them. Arrange them around the yellow center to make your daisy. This requires no algorithms and you should be able to do it in a few twists and turns. Next, rotate the top layer until the edge color matches with the center, then rotate the face twice. Do this to all 4 sides until you have your right cross. Now we're going to insert the white corners. Look in the top layer for corners with white. Then look at the other 2 colors, blue and red. Put it right under where it needs to go. White, blue, red. Then check if the colors match. For example, on this side, blue and white. This does not match. But on the left, red and red. This matches. Hold it in your left hand and use the left trigger to put it in. And your corners in. Do this to all the other corners, such as this one, with green and orange. Green and orange. Check if the colors match. However, you will encounter some which have none of the colors matching. This means you could use any trigger, but you'll need to use it multiple times. Over here, I'm using the right trigger. And my corners in. Do this to the other ones. This one has green and red. Green and red. Put it right under where it needs to go. And again, none of the colors match, which means you can use any trigger, but you have to use it multiple times. Now I'm using the left trigger. And my corners in. Sometimes you won't find the corners in the top layer. This means it's probably in the bottom. To take it out, use any trigger once. And it's out. Now follow your steps. And again, we can see that none of the colors match, means we can use any trigger multiple times. And just like that, your first layer is completed. Now we'll be doing the second layer edges. Look in the top layer for edges without yellow. Then look at the color and match it with the center, red and red. Then check at the top color, blue. See if it's on the right or left. Since blue is on the left, we'll be using the left algorithm to put it in. This one goes like U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime, and it's in place. Do this to all the other edges, such as this one, with orange and blue. First, match the color with its centerpiece, blue and blue. Then look at the color top of it, orange. Since orange is on the left again, we'll be using the left algorithm. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. And it's in place. Now we'll be doing red and green. First match it with its centerpiece and see green. Since it's on the right, we'll be using the right algorithm this time. The right algorithm goes like U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And it's in place. Now if you can't find an edge in the top, it's probably already in. To take it out, use any of the algorithms. Just remember, if you're doing the left one, you should have it in your left. If you're doing the right, have it in your right. I'll be doing the right one. And it's out. Now, follow the steps. Align green with its centerpiece, and since
Orange is on the right. Use the light algorithm again. U, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And it's in place. Just like that, 2 layers are completed. Next, we'll be making the yellow cross. Look at your yellow face. You will have either one of 3 things as shown in the picture: a dot, something like this, or a line. This determines how many times you'll be doing the next algorithm. Position it as shown. I will be doing it twice. Then follow the algorithm. F, the right trigger, F prime. I have to do it twice. F, the right trigger, F prime, and I have my yellow cross. Now we'll be finishing the yellow face. You will have one of these formations on your yellow face. Position it as shown. However, if you have a plus, you have to make sure that to your left you have a solved yellow piece. Then follow this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. Now you may have another formation. Reposition your cube and do the algorithm again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. Mine's is solved, but yours may not be. You may have to repeat this a couple more times. And your yellow face is solved. Now we will be solving the yellow corners. If you already have 2 corners solved, then put it at the back. If you don't, that's okay. You'll have to do this algorithm 1 to 2 times. Follow this algorithm. R prime, F, R prime, B, 2, R, F prime, R prime, B, 2, R, 2, U prime. And your corners will be solved. If not, do this algorithm 1 more time. For the last step, if you have one face solved, put it at the back. If not, that's fine. Then do this algorithm. F2, U, L, R prime, F2, L prime, R, U, F2. Now my cube is solved. If not, you may have to repeat this either 1 or 2 times. Then your cube will be solved. Here's a list of all the steps and algorithms in this video, which you can refer to.
Always remember, practice makes perfect.